We have one last concept to look at in section 1.2, and that's this idea of increasing and decreasing functions. So we think of increasing as going uphill or up in value, while decreasing is going downhill or losing some value. So when we identify the intervals where a function is increasing or decreasing, we're looking at the y values and what the y values are doing. So if the y values are getting bigger, we'd say the function is increasing. If the y values are getting smaller, we'd say that that function is decreasing. And when we're asked to find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing, we use those y values to decide what it's doing, but then the answer we give is going to be a range of x values. So it's all the values of x for which we see the function going uphill. So let's give this a whirl. Number 12, on what interval is the function f of x increasing? So this is our function f of x. So this looks like downhill. This is flat. This looks like it's going uphill. So this would be the part that's increasing. And so that's happening at x equals -1 is where it starts increasing. And it's going to keep increasing until it gets up here. So that point is going to be 3. So we would say that the function f of x is increasing on the interval from -1 to 3. Okay? So either one of these are perfectly fine ways of writing that. And then on what functions, or on what intervals is the function decreasing? So if we start here on this left-hand side, we see it going downhill here. So that's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. That's -6. And that goes all the way until here. So that's going to be -3. So we could write that either one of these two ways. And then it's flat here, so it's neither increasing nor decreasing. We already marked that out as increasing. And then this last piece here is going downhill, so that would be decreasing. And that'll be from x is 3 all the way to x is 6. So we could write that either one of those two ways.